Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Heather de la Acacia, South Africa for R3,250,000. Bargain. Ideal for the family that needs to be together at all times. Main house offers 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom beautiful open-plan kitchen, pantry, dining room, family room and study. Lapa surrounded by large trees and beautiful garden. 2ND house 2-bedroom, 2-en-suite bathroom, stunning double-story house with thatched roof. Open-plan kitchen and living areas. Flatlet offers 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, open-plan kitchen and living areas. It has its own entrance carport and parking. A must-see. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.